Breakthrough Polymer enables stretchable 3D printed medical and energy technologies, a new type of 3D printable polymer, developed by researchers at the University of Virginia, offers a significant advance in biocompatible materials science with potential applications ranging from safer organ transplants to more efficient batteries. The material's unique elasticity and biological compatibility address critical limitations of existing polymers used in biomedical and energy storage technologies. The challenge with current polymers, polyethylene glycol (PEG), a common material in tissue engineering and drug delivery, suffers from brittleness when formed into networks. Traditional PEG networks, created through cross-linking in water and subsequent drying, crystallize, losing their stretchability and structural integrity. This rigidity restricts their use in larger, flexible structures like synthetic organs or dynamic medical implants. The foldable bottle brush design, the breakthrough, lies in adapting a foldable bottle brush design inspired by the structure of resilient rubber. This architecture incorporates long, flexible side chains radiating from a central backbone, allowing the material to store length internally like an accordion. When stretched, these chains unfold, granting exceptional elasticity without compromising strength. How it works. Molecular-level stretch researchers, led by Liheng Kai, Associate Professor of Materials Science and Engineering at UVA, applied this concept to PEG. By exposing a precursor mixture to ultraviolet light, they initiated polymerization, forming a bottle brush architecture network. The resulting material is highly stretchable, 3D printable, and maintains its integrity under strain. Biocompatibility and medical applications, the new material demonstrates excellent biocompatibility. Cell cultures alongside the polymer showed no adverse effects, confirming its suitability for internal medical applications, such as organ scaffolding or controlled drug release systems. This compatibility is crucial for reducing immune rejection and ensuring long-term implant safety. Energy storage potential beyond biomedical applications, the polymer exhibits promising properties for advanced battery technologies. Compared to existing solid-state polymer electrolytes, the new material shows superior electrical conductivity and stretchability at room temperature. This combination could lead to more efficient, flexible, and durable batteries. Future research and development researchers are exploring combining the polymer with other materials to create 3D printable composites with tailored chemical compositions. This opens possibilities for creating customized implants, flexible sensors, or high-performance energy storage devices. The team continues to investigate extending the research into solid-state battery technologies. This breakthrough addresses a critical need for biocompatible, stretchable materials, paving the way for safer and more effective medical technologies and advanced energy storage solutions.